Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. This saves time and prevents surprises. First, power cycle the router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to rule out a transient fault. Once done, log into the router web UI and export the configuration or write down the Wi-Fi SSID and password so you can restore them later. Finally, locate the recessed reset button on the case and have a paperclip ready. These steps get you straight into the reset action without hesitation. Now you perform the factory reset itself, and timing matters. Use the paperclip to press and hold the recessed reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Stop when LEDs flash or cycle. This indicates the router is erasing non-volatile settings. After releasing, give the device a minute to reboot. Monitor LED patterns because they tell you when the device is back online. Make sure you can access the router using default IP or credentials printed on the label once the reboot completes. Finish by restoring and securing the router so it functions safely. Reconnect via the default Wi-Fi name or an Ethernet cable, then either import your saved config or manually set SSID, password, and admin credentials. Once done, change the admin password, enable WPA2 or WPA3 security, and check for firmware updates. If something goes wrong, try a 30-second power cycle, verify cables and modem links, and repeat the reset if needed. If problems persist, contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.